Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Take It Simple. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger something went wrong problem. You can sometimes see this problem while you open up the Messenger app. This is sometimes caused by the bugs. Now, in order to fix this problem, you can follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. There are a few things that you can do to fix this problem. The first thing you can do is head over to the Play Store and check if your Messenger is updated or not. If you see a button called update, then you should update your Messenger and check if this solves your problem. If it still doesn't solve your problem, then you need to head over to the settings option on your device. Then you'll need to go to the apps setting and then head over to manage apps. Now in the search bar, type in Messenger. Now what you'll need to do is clear the data and clear the cache of Messenger. After you clear the data, make sure that you remember the password and email address to your Messenger, because after you clear the data of your email and password will be removed from your device. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.